Well now, all-terrain vehicles. Ambulance?
Yeah, when he had the R1, he didn't want to smoke.
Everybody was good. Was good.
Yeah.
What is going on, my Salsa Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. It's been a minute. Oh, fail. It's been a minute since we've been out, and I haven't recorded anything at all. I'm out here with two Swazi, Cobra Mecca on the front, Black Maverick in the middle. We're in Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to a meet, a DudeMungus Meet, with these two guys, and I got this crazy ass. Look at this bike, bro. Look at this crazy ass bike. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's nuts. The modification that was made to this bike is amazing. So we are currently headed out to the DudeMungus Meet. Oh. Oh. These guys are crazy with it. I can't wait for you guys to see what I've done to Luna. She looks insane. Absolutely different. So, oh my gosh, these streets here in Georgia are so different from Florida. I'm not used to it, so kind of take it as easy as possible. Yeah, we're here in Atlanta, Georgia. I took a trip, 7 hours of driving. It's insane. So we're heading up the highway. I wanted to do a quick intro. Look at this. Look at that bike. Oh. It's beautiful. So last night we got to ride a little bit around Georgia, and the vibe is very different. So I'm trying to figure out, engage the drivers here. They're a little crazy here. It really isn't the same as the way it is in Florida. Here in Georgia, the drivers are very different. You try to make a right, and they kind of make a right with you. It's I don't know. I can't gauge the drivers. At least in Florida, I can gauge kind of what they're going to do. So I'm going to cut the footage here, ladies and gentlemen, and then we'll resume back at the meeting. See you guys in a bit. What's going on, my Salsa Moto family? We are back. Check this out. We got bikes upon bikes upon bikes. They're doing a dyno run, which is really dope. We're out here in Georgia. We're checking out all these bikes. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Is this a shop? Or what? Then we got my man Dylan over here. Oh. Yeah, try.
Hey, check out Cesar, man. Check him out, man. Man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when he had the R1, he didn't want to smoke.
And here we go.
But he ran from me when I ran out of gas.
This dude name is Little Lane D. Little Lane.
Oh, look at this thing. Wow, look at the carbon on that. Forged carbon. Forged carbon on this is something else. The R6. Man. Here we go. They got him rocking it. Got Kudus up in the building. Oh my god, we got so many people in here. 2 Swazi. We got this man right here. It's crazy here. Let's go walk outside real quick. Let's check this out. We got more bikes out here. Look at that. Good to see them. M1000RR in person. Looks good. Looks really good. Yeah, beautiful. We got Q's bike. Look at that. Q always wiping down his bike. Keeping it fresh and clean. Yeah. Oh man, how you doing, sir? How you doing? Look at that. And this is Blondie. At least it was Blondie's bike. And he changed out all the fairings. Just beautiful. I get to see the Triple R in person. Check out the Triple R. This thing is nice. Man, photos doesn't do it any justice. It really doesn't, because this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, could just be cooking it. Look at that. Okay, he be cooking it. Yeah, this thing is nice. He doesn't have forged wheels though. You gotta upgrade that, sir. Oh, this bike. I remember this bike. Who does this belong to? I can't remember. I think this was DudeMungus' old bike. It's in the building. This is yeah, when he got rid of it. This thing is still gorgeous. Never seen it in person.
What's up, man?
What's going on, man? Whose bike is this? I'm not sure. Is there a... No, I don't see a tag of any sorts, so I don't know whose bike this belongs to, but this thing is clean. 600. Then we got Dylan's R1, Mr. Fastlane D over here. So, oh, look at that. Yeah, yes sir. Now you got Luna. Our bike looking pretty there. Yes sir. Here's the man of the hour, DudeMungus. This is the man you need to follow right here, DudeMungus. So he is a joke. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the festivities. There's food, there's drinks, there's all kinds of cool stuff going on. So we're just gonna enjoy the festivities and just kind of hang out. See you guys in a bit. We are all here in Atlanta, Georgia. So kudos with Django. We got Willie Hutt Jr. on the R1, and of course we got a few other folks up in here. This man right here with so hopefully you guys get to capture that, because I don't think my camera angle is correct. There goes Kudos going crazy with the triple R, Honda triple R. That thing is basically, he's gonna pull Willie. I knew it. Good Lord, that is sketchy. I knew he was gonna pull a Willie. Well now, relying on back brakes and back brakes only. All-terrain vehicles. All-terrain vehicles. He wasn't kidding when he said a trail. Yeah. So we are here at the BP station in Atlanta, Georgia. Like, this is like the biggest speed up that they do here in Georgia, which is dope. So we got bikes upon bikes upon bikes upon bikes. We got everything that you could want or need. Look at this. Let's go. A man with the hawk helmet. Ooh, old school jigsaw. I remember this. Had that same color scheme at one point. We got ambulance. Oh, we got it all right here. Lady Rider too. What's up? This 1K. Woo. Another jigsaw. CBR. MT09, MT10. Another jigsaw. This is dope. I love this Cali right here. This is my favorite. R1. Jigsaw sold 1,000. Oh, this R1. Oh, I saw this earlier. This thing looks so good. Oh, I think it looks good in video too. In person, it looks really good. We got two CX-10 side by side. Oh, the Duck, Ducati. Oof, that's good. That's good. That thing is fast. I saw it on the dyno today. DudeMungus' bike. There goes DudeMungus' bike. You guys say follow him. That's it right there. Still not as fast as mine. Yes, sir. Another ZX10. ZX10. Oh, I remember this bike. Look at this ZX10. This color is crazy. It's got flakes in it. R1. This red and black grass. So good. So good. Oh, it's handy, buddy. What's good? What's good? Yeah. We're chilling. All right, baby. All the way from Florida, baby. The M1000RR next to Luna, my bike. What you guys think? Which one looks better? The actual M1000RR or Luna? Y'all tell me. Side by side. Got them side by side. We got Covert Mecca in the building. Make sure y'all follow him too. Amazing looking bike. Got R1. This is nice. Got winglets on it. Oh, the brand new S1 carry. This is the new. This looks dope. This looks really good. We got 2-wheel Twazi in the building. You already know this bike. You recognize it anywhere you go. Anywhere. Definitely. Kudos with bike. This thing is fast. Not gonna lie. Another GSXR. Jigsaw boys. But yeah, we're here at the meet. We'll see you guys on the road, baby. Let's go. This is sketchy with this one. I'm gonna keep rolling, but in case I don't catch you guys and I ran out of battery, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for being part of the Moto family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.